Okay, when you get to your table, you're going to see your table's bucket sitting there. Obviously, this is the yellow table. This is where our artwork is going to sit, and there is a yellow folder in here. So it depends on the color of your table. So if you are the folder holder, I will ask you to get the folder out of there. Inside, you're going to find the paper we are using today. So you're going to take the paper out of the folder. You're going to put the folder back in the little tub, and you're going to give everybody one of these. Everybody's going to put it in front of them, and then you're going to flip this tub around. On the other side, there's a little crown guy, a yellow one, because inside you're going to find yellow crowns. This is what we are using. The pencils are not for us to use today. So if I ask you, if you're the supply manager, you're going to get in the tub where the crowns are, and you're going to give everybody a crown that matches their table. We're going to move this off to the side. Don't put it away. And then you're going to take your paper and you're going to use the crown and you are going to write your name right here at the top with that color crown. Okay, like I said, you're going to take your crown and you're going to write your name. Now, please remember, this is Miss Lawson I'm writing. You are not writing Lawson. You are writing your name. Once you have your name, supply manager, please make sure all these crowns get back in the little tub where the picture of the crown is. Again, the pencils we're not touching. Miss Lawson will come by. These will be taken off your table to have more space. And the next supply the supply manager is going to pass out is our basket of paint sticks. Now, you may be sharing with your partner next to you, so please listen to who's going to use the paint sticks first and then who is going to use them second. You have three colors. We have red, yellow, and blue. If you look at our words, we have red, yellow, and blue. These three big circles are what we're going to focus on first. We're not working on the little circles, just the big circles. Let's get your finger, go ahead and point to the first word at the top, R-E-D. This is the big circle at the top. This word is red. So I know I'm going to need the red color. So I will tell you who gets to grab the red paint stick. Now these are a little bit different. It is not a glue stick. They are like a glue stick, but it is paint. So what you have to do is pull the top off, lay the top flat on the table so it doesn't roll away, and you can see paint is already sticking out. If you don't see paint sticking out, then you have to turn the knob at the bottom and your paint will stick out. Now be careful. We only want to turn the knob 1, 2, 3, then you check to see if paint is coming out. If paint is coming out, you stop. So I'm going to take the red paint stick and I'm going to color it in where the word red is. Now, if I'm sharing my paint stick, I need to pass it to my partner. I don't have to put the top on. I'm going to pass the stick. They will put the top on. So the next person's going to use it. When they use it, take your paint stick and you're going to turn it down, making sure the paint is not sticking up, and then put the top, press hard so it's back on. So that is what we're doing with red. Once everybody has red, we're going to move down to the next word, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. This circle is where we're going to add the yellow paint. So once we know where yellow is, everybody's making sure you point to the yellow with your finger so Ms. Lawson can check. Again, the same person that started with red is going to grab the yellow paint stick. Same thing. Take the top off. Again, I see a little paint, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the knob 1. And see, I don't even need to do it 3 times. It already is sticking out. Take my yellow, get the word yellow, paint in the yellow. Again, pass this to my partner so they also can use yellow. When everybody's done, I'm going to turn it down so my paint's back in, get my top, snap my top on. Put it back in the basket. So we have red, yellow. The next big circle is B-L-U-E, blue. Please point to the circle that says blue. Once Ms. Lawson has checked everybody, again, the same person's going to grab the blue paint stick. Same thing. Take the top off, lay it on the table. I see a little paint is already sticking up. I can turn it once just to get a little more. Stop. And then I'm going to take my blue and paint in my blue circle. Pass this to my partners so they can also use the blue. And when they are done, again, turn it So the paint stick goes back in there, put my top on, snap it hard, put it back in the basket. Now we have created our color wheel with our 3 primary colors. Repeat after me. Red, yellow, blue. These 3 colors are called our primary colors. Now, next time we come together, you're going to see there's 3 little circles. Orange, violet, or purple, green. We are going to be coloring in orange, violet, green. So our first basket, Miss Lawson's going to collect those from the supply manager, and then we're going to get the second basket with our orange, violet, and green. Okay, now we have our second basket with our secondary colors. These 3 colors, orange, violet, and green, are called secondary colors. Now, everybody take your finger and point to orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Take your other finger, point to the word orange. So you should have 2 fingers pointing to the word orange. Now we're going to take one finger and move up. What color are you on? I hope you said red. Take the other finger and move down. What color are you on? I hope you said yellow. So if you ever want to make the color orange, you're going to use red, yellow, red, and yellow. Red and yellow, if you bring your fingers back together again, make orange. So again, same person, you're going to grab your orange paint stick. Take the top off. Again, my paint is already sticking out, so I don't need to turn the knob. Find the word orange and paint in the word orange. Pass this to my partner so they can also use the orange. When everybody's done, close it. Make sure you turn down the paint. Snap the top on. Put it back in your basket. So we have now learned, if you look at the color wheel is going to tell us how to make this color. Again, to make orange, we use red and yellow. Those 2 colors mixed together make orange. Let's move across. This word is violet. Violet is also called purple. Put both fingers on the word violet, purple. Now again, take one finger, we're moving up. What color are you pointing at? Red. Take your other finger, move down. What color are you pointing at? Blue. So to make purple, we use red and blue. Say it with me, red and blue, because if you move your fingers together, we get to purple. Try this again. Take the top off. Notice I need to turn it once to get the purple to come out. There's my purple. And paint over the word purple. Again, pass this to my partner so they can also use it. Turn it down when everybody's done. Put the top on, snap it on tight. Put that back in the basket. So we have yellow and red make orange. Red and blue make purple. We have one more small circle. This is green. Everybody put your 2 fingers on the word green. It's the little circle at the bottom. Take one finger, move this way. We're pointing at the color yellow. Take your other finger, move this way. We're pointing at the word blue. To make green, we need yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. If we bring those together, we're going to get the color green. Same person, grab your green paint stick, pop off the top, put it on the table. I don't see paint, so I need to turn my knob. There's one time I see it. Find the green circle and color in green. Again, pass this to my partner so they can also use it. When everybody's done, turn it down, pop the top, snap it. So now we have filled up. Miss Lawson's going to get our supply managers and we'll pick this up. And if you look, we have our color wheel finished.